Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 209. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 6, 9, 6, 9. That means that our 2 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this bottom row, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 4. No help here, 1, 4, 7. 4 here, so 1, 7. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 7. We've got the 4 and 7 here, so 3, 6. 6 and 7 here, so 3, 4. 4 and 7 here, so 3, 6. 3 and 4 here, so 6, 7. Okay, this is supposed to be a 6. And so if we look, the only place the 7 can be is here, and the only place the 4 can be is here. If we look at this top row, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here and a 6 here, so this is our 2. 5 here, so 6, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. But that 1 makes this our 4. And we can get rid of this 4. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 6. And that means that our 8 has to be here. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6, and I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 5, 6, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so 5, 6. And no help here, 5, 6, 8, 9. But if we look, the only place the 8 can be is here, and that means the only place the 5 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got the 2 here, so 3, 9. 2 and 3 here, so this is our 9. That makes this our 3, 2. And that 2 makes this our 3. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. That 6 makes this our 3, 1, 6. And that 3 makes this our 6, 3. That 6 makes this our 9, 6. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, we're missing a 3. And for this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 2, no help here, 1, 2, 9, same here, 1, 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. That 7 makes this our 1, 7. So we can get rid of this 2 and this 1. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 1, 5 here, so 4, 5. That 1 makes this our 2, 9, 1. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. That 3 makes this our 5, 3. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.